Letter writing on summer vacation in English. Arindam Biswas, 14 Beckbagan Lane, Kolkata 700001. Dear Arindam, after a long time, I am writing to you. I hope you are doing well. As you know, from 15th June, summer vacation is going to start. I am writing this letter to invite you to spend your summer vacation with me in Kolkata. We will explore different historic places in Kolkata, like Victoria Memorial Hall, Biswa Bangla Gate, Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir, Birla Museum, Science City, etc. It will be a great pleasure for me to explore those places with you. I am sure we will enjoy it a lot together. I am sure you will accept my invitation and I will see you soon. Convey my gratitude to your parents. Your faithfully, Biplab Biswas. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video like this.